Hello and welcome to our Partner Portal overview. This video will give you a brief overview of all the features and benefits of the Partner Portal. You can enter the Partner Portal either by clicking on Partner Login at the upper right corner of our homepage or by entering partners.overland-tandberg.com in the URL field of your browser. At the homepage, scroll down to get an overview of all the benefits of the Partner Portal. Click on Benefits and Requirements at the top menu to see a list of the advantages being an Overland-Tandberg partner and to start our presentation. After your registration, we send you your credentials via email and you can start. Okay. This is the starting page of our Partner Portal. At the top menu, you find the deal registration, the trainings page to gain certifications for different partner status, download marketing material, get an overview of events, and access our selling tools. By scrolling down, you find our events calendar, read the partner program, view the price list, and see our promotions. Let's walk through the different features. I will show you the deal registration in a separate video, so we start with trainings. As soon as you registered, you will be a silver partner. A requirement is that you have at least one general certified specialist in your company. The trainings page offers you a multiple choice test. After completion of the test, you will be recognized as a general certified specialist for the appropriate product group. You can post it to your social media profile if you want to. The advanced certified specialist is required for gold and premium partners. The marketing menu offers you an asset library. Here you find our newsletters, data sheets, price lists, promotion sheets, case studies, and much more. You can set filters to get an individual list of documents you are interested in. Co-brandable documents allow you to add your logo or company information. I will show you later how this works. Another feature is the creation of playbooks. Here you can place documents you use frequently. You can create different playbooks to meet different topics. I click on Add. In my example, I want to create a playbook on German Olympus datasheets. I click Add again. Then I click Collection to return to the document overview. I filtered German as a language and datasheets as a document type. I click on the plus sign and assign the datasheet to my playbook by clicking Apply. I repeat these steps for every desired document. Let's have a look into my playbook. I select the German datasheets and voila, all documents are available. Let's return to the other menu items. The events menu shows past and upcoming events like webinars, trade shows, or trainings. You can switch between different views and set filters. The Selling Tool menu provides promotion claim forms, the partner program presentation, and shows a list of current promotions. Now let me show how to co-brand a document. I select the marketing menu, choose Asset Library, and select the asset type Co-brandable as a filter. Now I click on the stamp icon of the desired document. I choose the Olympus OT600 datasheet. I enter a name for my document. I can add my logo. I click into the logo field and select Custom Upload. I browse to the logo I want to insert and select it. The logo is now placed into the document. I click Save to save it. Then I click on Download to download it on my PC. I hope you enjoyed this overview. Please watch the tutorial on deal registration as well. Your Overland-Tandberg team.